The multi-award-winning Compact Easy Alarm System by Telenote offers protection against intrusion, fire hazards, unauthorized access, damage due to water or gas leaks, and can control up to 16 smart home functions. What makes a reliable alarm system? Externally visible. The elegantly designed visual audible warning device triggers an unmistakable alarm in case of intrusion or fire. On request, the alarm can be forwarded to your smartphone or a point of assistance. The CryptLock access control reader guarantees secure access, either by numeric code or encrypted transponder chip. Alternatively, the HiLock digital lock cylinder can be used. At the modern touch control panel, you can view and operate all functions of your alarm system and your smart home functions. Motion detectors by Telenote reliably detect unauthorized persons, ensuring that you never encounter an intruder. Smoke detectors protect against smoke and fire hazards. Thanks to smoke detectors, you can feel safe. Hazard alarms warn of water or gas leaks. They prevent any nasty surprises in your absence. Thermal warning detectors are used for early detection of fires with rapid rises in temperature. Glass break detectors are area detectors and monitor glass surfaces against penetration. Magnetic contacts monitor the opening of doors and windows. The Compact Easy Alarm System control panel is the centerpiece. All components are connected to it, and it reliably evaluates all alarm messages. With the help of the app, you can also set your alarm system remotely or control it conveniently at home by SmartPad or smartphone. All smart home functions are also easily controlled by app. Blinds, the heating system, and the garage door are just some of the 16 possible functions. The mobile wireless control panel on your smartphone lets you control the alarm system remotely and conveniently from every room. The ability to activate a personal emergency call is also integrated. A Telenote alarm system offers reliable security around the clock and lets you sleep soundly.